Hi, and welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to show you how to update Zoom. So actually that's so easy to be done just from the Zoom Workplace app that you can get from Microsoft Store or from I will show you. Let's set a new window and then you can type here zoom.us download, and then you can get the app by clicking on download. It depends on how much bytes on your PC on your Windows system. Anyways, once you get through your account on the Zoom Workplace, you just need to sign in. You will click on that icon, and then you will go into help just to check your version of your Zoom Workplace app. So you need to click again on about Zoom Workplace, and then they will give you your version of your Zoom. It's 6.4.6 per example. So how to update your version on Zoom? You just need to re-click on your icon and then go into check for updates. And once you click on check for updates, if you didn't have the latest version, they will directly and by default updating your version of your Zoom Workplace app. Once it's done, you just need to click on close, and then you need to go go to exit the app and then relaunch it. Anyways, guys, that's the video. If you found that video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share the video with your friends and your beloved ones to help them also. Thank you so much for watching, and see you next video.